Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a website using Wix AI. And right now, I'm currently inside Wix, and this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. Now to further proceed with this one, we're gonna need a Google account. So I'm gonna use my dummy Google account with this one. I'm just gonna log in, simply click on that one. So once you submitted your Google account or entered it, or basically after you logging in, you'll see this landing page. It will ask you some questions to tailor fit your website for you. First thing is, who are we creating a website for? I'm gonna choose myself or for a client. Also, you can skip this option. I think I'm gonna go with skipping this option right here, or rather I'm gonna go for myself. Sorry for the confusion. So as you can see right here, we have an AI option already. So you can set up without AI or start chat with this one. So if I click on start chat with this, it will help me get faster help with AI. So it will just ask us to tell you about yourself and get personalized tools, images, text for your site. I think I'm going to utilize start chat right now. So first, what do you want to call your site? I'm going to go for, I think I'm going to go with sample website. This will be my site name. Now it will now reverse, or rather generate another question. So get a choice, first sample. Now can you provide a brief description of your business? I think I'm gonna go with making blogs. Let me just make sure it's writing blogs right there. As you can see right here on the right side, it's actually interactive. Whatever I type, for example, the title, it's already here. So if I click on enter right there, for example, the description of our business, writing blogs, I think we can see it perfectly in real time how the website will look like. So please pay attention on this right side right here. It's currently generating a preview. In the meantime, let's check the next question. So what type of services do you offer on your website? I think I'm gonna go for freelance. I'm gonna click on enter right now and see how it works here. So we have a preview ready, site type. I have marketing ebook landing page. I have blog, and then do you plan to showcase your work on your website as a portfolio or offer writing services directly? I'm gonna go for portfolio. Click on enter. So I want to highlight that it's just like talking to a friend. If you're just like talking with ChatGPT or any other AI, this is the power of Wix AI. So excellent choice. What would you say sets or writing style apart from other in your platform? So it's just asking us some more details to tailor fit our design. I think I'm gonna go with this one, meeting deadlines, that sets me with other creators or other freelancers. So again, I just want to highlight how powerful and how awesome this is, because real time you'll see a preview of the content. And then can you share a bit about your business history? I've been in business, I think I'm gonna go with for 3 years now. I think I'm gonna go with that one. As you can see right here, I'm just answering very briefly or vaguely because I want to see the limit of this AI. If it can't understand me, even though I'm just answering very vaguely right here. Now we're all set. Welcome back to the video, by the way. I can just simply click on go to dashboard. So with this one, you're gonna have two choices. You can design the site on this button right here, but this is another procedure or another approach. I'm gonna tackle this option in another video because I really want to discuss this option on the lower side. So we have already checked one, update our site type. Now we're gonna connect a custom domain. Currently, I don't have a custom domain. I'm gonna type in mystunningwebsite.com and see if this is available, because custom domain are paid. So I think this is gonna be a paid subscription. So I'm gonna skip this one right now. I'm gonna go back on the list from earlier, so setup. And then I'm gonna go to add your service right here. Again, if you have your own custom domain, please feel free to do this or this option right here. So you can individualize or have your uniqueness regarding your domain. Anyway, I'm gonna add a service right here. Now, once you have your service right here, it's just gonna ask you appointment or home visit, free intro meeting, class, and corporate seminar. Now, you might not see the exact thing I'm seeing right here because these are all based regarding the questions from AI earlier. Because I've typed in freelancer, right? Or blog writing. So these are tailor-fitted, or these services are perfectly tailor-fitted for freelancing blog writing. For example, you type in video editing, you type in product research or Amazon, you're gonna have a different set of services. Now I'm gonna go with this one. I think I'm gonna go with free intro meeting. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then I can choose to edit. However, you can also start from scratch. But if you click on free intro meeting right now and add the service or add it as your service, you can edit the server's type by appointment, by class, or by course. Of course, you're gonna have an option for service detail, a tagline right there, a description. Now, basically what we're doing right now is we are selling our product. This is currently our product or service, if you may call it. So I suggest put a very good description. So I'm gonna type in right here a very good description. This is just for discussion purposes, okay? Now, for duration, this is by your own preference. If you want it customized, you can do so. But there are pre-plotted time limit right there. I'm just gonna choose 30 minutes. Buffer time, this is by your own preference also. And if you lower down, these are the price and payment regarding your service. With plan, per session, or per session with a plan. These are custom prices. I think I'm gonna go with free, just for discussion purposes, but of course you can click customize or fixed price. I'm gonna go with free right here. And then address, this is by your own location, so you need to save your progress before you can edit service location. Sure about that. And then, again guys, location is just your address, where you conduct your business. Now being a freelance, you don't really have an address, so I'm gonna leave this as it is first. So for staff, since this is your freelancing opportunity website, I think I'm gonna remain this as default. Of course guys, please you can add a cover image right there. Just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna upload the media. I think I have one right there. Give me a second here. I'm gonna look for my downloads. So just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna choose this one. It's uploading a file right now because I'm teaching you how to upload a file as a cover photo. Right now I'm gonna choose this one. And there we have it. We have a cover photo for a service gallery. Now moving on, I can just click on save if I'm settled with that. And everything here will be saved. So I have just selected the product regarding my services. Now once we're back in setup or the landing page, you're gonna see this one. It's already checked out since I already added a service. Now before I continue, I just want to highlight this choice right here or this checklist may be different in your end. You may be seeing different results or different keywords or different checklists on your end. That is because that I have tailor-fitted this one for a freelancing blog writing. Remember from earlier the AI chat? So this will depend or that will be the result of this one. Okay? Now moving on, we have set your working hours. I'm just going to click on that one. I'm going to click by default set hours. And with that, I have successfully crossed that out. As you can see here, we're just moving forward in each of the checklists. So we won't get lost. I can just confirm if you're living in the Philippines. You can change it on this option. For example, just for discussion purposes, I'm going to go for Singapore. Sorry about that. Click on continue or choose. And with that, you're going to have a different set of payments. You have Stripe, PayPal, and manual payments. You can see more options for payments right there. And this is everything available in your country. That being said, a personal tip for you, make sure you connect as much as possible or as many as you can. Because not all customers have PayPal, not everyone has Stripe, Visa, or MasterCard. So I suggest connect everything as you can or as much as you can. Perfect. Now moving on, let's go back on setup. Now let's just say we have crossed that out since it's still in progress. I think I'm just gonna cross it out right now because I really don't want anything in progress. So I'm gonna go manual payments right there. I'm gonna go with cash, add instruction every after lesson, I'm gonna go with connect. So with that one is cash basis, so we can cross it out. So manual payments are connected. It's time to upgrade for your site. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. Go to setup. So we are already 3/7 completed regarding a progress. And as you can see right there, it's still in progress because cash payment basis is only for paid subscription. And I don't want to really take much of your time because I don't want to connect my PayPal, my card, just for the sake that I can show you on how it really connects. It's just a simple click of a button right here. Moving on, design your website. This is where everything is a bit complicated. Now, once you're here, Wix will ask you for two different questions. You can either use AI on the left side to further build your site or customize a template. I'm gonna go with this one, start now, and utilize AI fully with this tutorial. Right now, Wix is basing everything I typed and creating a website. Now, for example, this is gonna be our finished website preview. This is a site brief. Now, you'll see right here the summary of how our website will look like. If you notice, there will be some hyperlink words right there. For example, we have site profile, site structure, site description, theme, and layout. The reason for them being highlighted or hyperlinked, they can be edited. So for example, I'm gonna click on theme, and if clicking theme right there, there is a prompt bar or prompt space here that you can enter a prompt and then further change your theme. For example, you can generate a new theme also if you don't have any idea on how to work here. Now I'm gonna retain myself with this one. Also, you can click on site profile. If you click on site profile, you can edit the name, the site type. For example, I'm gonna do this one for, I think I'm gonna go with creating writing professor. Site description, you can edit this one. For Facebook, we have this, or rather contact info, wherein you can add a Facebook account. You can also add a social link. For example, you can add IG, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media. For example, just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna type this one, facebook.com, and then click on apply changes. Let me see if this will work. And there we have it. We have just edited our site profile. Right now, we have included one link, which is basically the landing page of Facebook. Now you can also edit the layout. For example, on this part right here, as you can see here, it has been changed a little bit. Anyway, for the layout, you can generate a new layout, shuffle, or back to brief. Also, before you continue, there is an option to regenerate or regenerate the site fully. For example, it's a new generation, or make it a little different. You have the freedom to do so here. If you're satisfied with this, for example, I'm gonna click on continue with the design, and you can further continue with it. So I'll see you once inside, and then you'll go straight on this option. So complete the site with your domain. Again, it's just asking for our domain right here. You can set up your business or continue to the editor or back to brief. I'm gonna continue to the editor right there because I want to edit it first before purchasing a domain, because this video is really showing you guys how to utilize the Wix AI. It will be by your own preference if you want to pay the subscription, okay? Moving on, we're almost here. We just need to edit the website, publish it, and we're good to go. Now, here's the editor, the most complicated part of this discussion. Anyway, I'm gonna give you everything I can with this one, and let's get started. First thing you'll notice on the left side, you'll have elements, section. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna save it right now. Anyway, you have elements, sections, pages, site design, apps, my business, media, and CMS. These are the sections you can add on your website. For example, just for discussion purposes, let's just say I want to add some elements. And then with this one, I want to add a button right there. For example, I want to add a download button. I can simply place it on this section right there on the lower right. I can download it, edit the link, for example, which page it will go to. I can go to thank you page, click on done. So whenever a customer click on download, or just for the sake of discussion, let's say this is preview, it will go straightly on the about section right here. Pretty awesome, right? Also, one more thing to take note of is that you can customize the text. What I mean with this one is that, for example, you have edited text. Sorry about that. It's just asking for a feedback. Anyway, for example, again, you're asking for a text right there for elements. You can just simply edit it up, place it right here, and there is your heading. Let's just remove the other things right here so they won't be a problem. I think this is it. And this is your text. You can create a text or edit a text right there. You can choose a font, the font size right here, the font style, and then the bullets, the effect, the vertical text, and this feature says SEO or accessibility. And this is just an HTML tag. Anyway, I'm just showing you how that works here, or how basically I'm just showing you the ropes. Moving on, we can choose a menu items, or we can add some more. If you click on quick edit right there, and then go here on the quick edit, you can change the column background, you can change the sample website name or the website name, and you can change the horizontal menu. You can also view it as your mobile. For example, if I click on switch to mobile right there, this is the mobile version. I can just skip this one, and basically you can edit as it is. However, I'm gonna go back on the desktop so I can preview it properly. Now, that being said, we can check some more things here. Add section, for example. I want to add some sections there. I'm gonna add some team sections. So there is my team section right here. Now, for example, these are not my team because these are default. I can simply click the photo, highlight the one I want to remove. I can place it right here, for example, edit it, click on apply. And then, for example, this image, I want to remove it. I can edit or change the image. However, you'll notice this sparkle. You can create an MI image with this one. It is auto-generated. I want to try this one right now. So, with this one, a beautiful abstract tech background, I'm going to type in a red hair woman. Create image, and see the image generation tool with this AI. And I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is my image. This is just a very brief preview, and I haven't chosen a style. If you want it to be realistic, of course, choose 3D right there or a photo. But for now, I'm going to use this image just for the sake of the discussion. Click on save, and then I have an image to replace the team section right here. So it's currently saving right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now, once we're done with that one, this is the woman right now, the one I got. And also, I just want to highlight the section here is pretty powerful. It has an AI generation option right here now. It's still on beta phase though. Please take note about that one. You can choose a section type, enable text included, and generate a section. Now we have promotion right here. Services is right there. If I add services right here and then choose this one, this is now a section for services. I can edit everything I see here. I can change the background. Just for the sake of discussion, I'm gonna go with this one, and there we have it. Now moving on with the left section right here, element section, I'm gonna go with this one, application. There are a lot of applications connected to the Wix. For example, you're looking for something on the marketing or sell online or communication. We have it right here. So make sure you check this one out. We have Wix video, Wix forum, restaurants right there, hotels, and then we have a lot more. Those are the applications for you. We also have media right here. Everything you did, uploaded right there. Even you can upload here, edit image, and these are the stock images inside Wix. We have CMS, wherein you can add a website and then create a very good content. You can add a site here or find out more, but I'm just gonna set this aside for now and tackle it in the following videos. Now, I think we're almost done here, but I want to teach you some more. Regarding the editing, you can add, for example, you want to move the section up, simply click on that button right there. Edit the section, you want to explore section layouts or more actions right here. You can delete it, for example, easily. Now, if you click on this option right there, the sections here, for example, you can add the element again. Just want to make sure you're really familiar with this one. There's the blog, the store, the bookings. For example, the service list is right here. You can book now regarding this service list. Perfect, right? Pretty awesome. You can manage the service on this option right here. It will open a window tab wherein basically you're gonna manage your services. Now these are the same as products from other fields or niche. And with this one, you can edit the product or the services. This is the service I created earlier, remember? And this is the part where you can edit it, change it, and even do everything you want with it. So I'm gonna go back on home. Now we're almost done here. Let's just say we're satisfied with our website. For example, we're good here. You can get found on Google by simply publishing a website. Now to publish fully, remove that one and click on preview first, for example, to fully get a glimpse on what it looks like. Once you're satisfied, simply click on publish, and successfully you have published this one. But this is just a free trial account. If you want your own domain, for example, you're gonna need to pay for the subscription. And that being said, before we end this video, I want to show you the pricing right now. And before we end this video, here are the pricing regarding the account in Wix. These are the comparing of features. Here we have it all. So if you want to try it out, the free trial is a very good start for the beginners. Test the waters, and then if you really want the full features, your custom domain, please pay these subscription plans. And with that being said, we're done here. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.